I think Frame certainly is establishing and actually established itself as the mother of all media and entertainment events in India. I think if anyone who has an interest in this industry has to be here, not only from India, from all over the world. And I think it is also becoming an important industry platform for all parts of the ecosystem, be it the government, be it companies, be it users, be it advertisers, all of them to come together and have a meaningful dialogue. So great job done at Fiki Frames.
Where is gaming headed in India? You're doing some wonderful job, doing the bottom of the pyramid work in India.
So clearly, we believe that gaming is going to become bigger than the movie business in India. It's a big statement to say in a country which is dominated by Bollywood, but that is the truth. This is what happened in America. This is what happened in Europe, China, Japan, Korea. And I think what was missing in India was broadband. And thanks to finally 3G rolling out, 4G coming in, the next 3 to 4 years is going to see an explosion in the number of users accessing the internet via their mobile devices or PCs or tablets or whatever. We are going to see about 400 million people in India finally getting connected. And when people get connected, the number one activity they do is gaming. So we are very excited about it and hope that we will certainly be able to make all the Indians play.
Finally, Vishal, what are the challenges faced by Indian gaming companies and what needs to be done at least to offset, who has to do it? Whether is it at the government end or at the companies end?
I think the challenge largely was that we all had the best of the cars, but there was no highway to race these cars. So I think the problem came back to the point of infrastructure and access. Just imagine, India currently has about 700 million mobile users, but only 50 million of them actually end up using internet on their mobile phones. And when these 50 million users actually use it, the amount of money they pay is less than $1. So making money in this market becomes extremely difficult for companies. But when the needle moves from 50 to 400 million, I think that is going to get scaled. So I think the content community is ready, the game developers are ready, we have the technology, we have the content. What we need is the users, which I hope will get fixed.